Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete items from your cart in the Flink app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. How to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Flink app. On the bottom in this pink square, I will have my shopping cart. Tap on it, and let's say that I don't want this cucumber anymore. Tap on the minus again, and it's deleted from your cart. Let's do this with other items too. You just have to tap on the minus and my cart is empty. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.